From assembling computers to automotive components, Nitto Koki's Delvo electric screwdrivers play an indispensable role in assembly lines. Delvo has earned its reputation from over 40 years of experience. Delvo increases the efficiency of production lines by fastening screws with the appropriate torque and speed. By providing optimal fastening solutions per fastening material, product defects due to improperly seated screws are prevented. Delvo also prevents human error by controlling the number of screws fastened. We support the automation of assembly plants with our lineup of Delvo models that can be mounted on robots or used in conjunction with automation systems. Delvo features a wide range of screw fastening settings, such as screw size, torque control, and screw speed programming to suit product assembly needs and the safety standards of major countries. We also provide worldwide customer support and solutions. Nitto Koki contributes to the growth of industry and society with energy and labor-saving products such as Delvo.